Hey everybody, in the video this week we're going to draw Luigi to go with the Mario video I did a while back. Alright, so let's start off with the circle for the head. Now I'm going to have him kind of in a pose similar to the Mario video I did where he's hitting a block. So I got this circle for the head, and now Luigi, part of the way he differs from Mario is the shape of his face. Mario has more of like a rounded face and Luigi's is kind of more long and pointed. So I'm going to put the face in there. I'm going to put the ear in right now too. Eventually that's going to be blocked partially by the arm that I'm going to put in there. Alright, so now I'm going to put his neck right here. Then I'm going to draw this center line to show the direction his body is going to flow. Darken up these lines a little so you can really see them. Alright, now we're going to do the upper body here. And he's just like Mario, he's kind of got a belly. Just going to do the flow of his body. So the center line, going to follow that right here. Darken it again so you can see it, the lines. All right, now I'm gonna throw this first leg on here. I'm gonna have it bent. So this is the top view of the leg right here. The bottom, the lower leg right here, and then have the shoe. Luigi's shoe, and then this line I'm gonna use to have the second leg. Just follow that curve. Have a shoe down here. Alright, so now we got the legs in there. Darken this up again so you can see the lines. Alright, we got the legs. Let's move on to the arms. So I'm gonna do this arm first, and it's gonna kind of just be, it's gonna have making a fist out here. So I've got this curve for the one part of the arm. I'm gonna put his thumb here, and then draw the fingers in there so I can make a fist. And then this pinky finger, I'm gonna have a curve going around to go all the way around the hand. So this is gonna kind of be like this part of the hand right there, connecting it to the thumb. All right, and now this curve is for the lip of the glove. I'm just have this little line here with the rest of the arm. Okay, now let's put the other arm in there, which I'm gonna have extended above his head like he's punching a block. So it's just going to be a cylinder here coming out the side of his body. Now you can see what I was talking about it covering up the ear a little bit. Alright, so we got the cylinder coming up here, and it's going to stop kind of where his glove is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the shape of the glove in here, and it's going to kind of be the view, like this view of the hand right here. So I'm trying to show that angle. I'm gonna have this meaty part right there, and the pinky I'll be able to see right there, the next two. And if you notice, I'm only drawing Luigi with 4 fingers, and that's just a style choice. You can draw them with 5, but when I draw like smaller, like babyish cartoon characters or whatever, I might do, or a chibi style, I might just do 4 fingers. So that's what I did with Mario and Luigi. Alright, so now we've got the pose. Now we're going to start doing some detail in the face, and then I'm going to move on and just do the details in the overalls. And it's really simple, there's not too much to it. Alright, so I'm going to start here with the eyebrow. Now I'm going to put this other eyebrow in. Then use this one to come down so I can place the nose right here. And have the one eye, and then the other eye. I'm gonna have him kind of looking up at where he's punching. All right, now I'm gonna do the hat. This is kind of like a curve right here on the outside of the head, and then it swoops through to right there. And then for the top part, you're gonna start here and just connect to the end of the shape. And then draw a line from this point to the ear, and that's going to be the bottom part of it. Now to do the top, you got that big part on the front that's arched where the letter is. Okay. I'll go ahead and put that circle there and just put a little L in there for a placeholder for when I'm going to color it in and ink it. Alright, now with Luigi, his mustache is also different than Mario's. Mario's mustache has more curves in it. Luigi's really only has two big pieces. Just got one big piece and kind of bring it to the center of the nose, and then do the same thing on the other side and come from the center of the nose to the edge. I'm going to put like a little chin on him too. Alright, now he's got these sideburns right there, put a little detail in the ear, and then he's got a little flip of hair coming out the back as well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and do the overalls. Now he's really, the shape of his body is similar to Mario's. The difference is Luigi's got some longer legs. They both kind of have the round bellies. But Luigi's just a little bit longer. And so we got the two straps, buttons on there. And here's the pencil sketch for Luigi. Now hang tight, and I'm going to ink and color this very quickly. Alright, and there's Luigi. Make sure you give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to be notified when more videos drop, and also don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you drew along.